you smile, everything's in place.
Love, ito na. Siguro ang kukumpleto sa organizer mo. Please wear it today. See you at the altar. Love you.
Keep me close and don't let go. Inch by inch we're moving closer.
Ang endearing quality mo para sa akin ay ang iyong pagiging maalalahanin, maasikaso, at very keen to details.
Is the moment I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. Who'd have thought that I'd breathe the air?
Ay! Ay, grabe! Ang pau! Shit, 10,000? Dearest love, Josan, as I write this letter, I pray first and thank the Lord for giving me a wife, the woman who will be the mother of our children. I hope that this gift that I have given will give you smile, but more than this material gift, I'm offering you my gift of love, gift of kindness or fidelity, and gift of being a good husband and father to our future kids. See you later at the altar, and let's make this day truly happy. I love you, and we will be Mr. and Mrs. Perez later. Love, Edward Perez.
Who'd have thought that I'd breathe the air, spinning round your atmosphere. I hold my breath, falling into you. Break my fall and don't let go. Inspire.
Sarap.
Take two, take two.
Feels like a fairy tale. Ending, take my heart. This is.
Wow, naubos!
I'm moving closer. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale. Ending, take my heart. This is the.
Congrats! Huwag kang maging pasama eh.
Anak, congratulations and best wishes
Ay!
on this very special occasion. Alam mo kung ano yung napangaral namin sa'yo. Tandaan mo yan, ha?
Iyak na siya.
I love you, anak.
I love you. Hi, my love. My husband, Edward Joseph U. Perez. I still can't believe that after 1 year of preparation, today is finally here. Just like what I've said before, you came into my life when I least expected it. Sa simpleng pag-greet-greet mo ng Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, Happy New Year, at yung congrats, nakapagpa-vaccine ka na. Tapos puro like reaction lang ako. Ito na pala ang simula ng panibagong chapter ng relationship natin.
December 3, 2025, tunay nga na mabuti ang Diyos at dinadala tayo sa taong nakalaan para sa atin. Hindi ko lubos maisip na pagtatagpuin ulit tayo makalipas ang 6 na taon. Iyon pala ang dahilan bakit itinago ko ang mga love letters, pictures, at mga memories natin sa aking baol. Sa unang beses na tayo ay magkitang muli, nasabi natin sa isa't isa ang laman ng ating damdamin, mga saloobin, at mula sa panahong iyon, ipinagdasal ko, naggabayan ako ni Lord para i-pursue ka.
Kamay ko nang napakaigpit.
With you, I have found my home, my happiness, and my forever. I promise to make you laugh when you're taking life too seriously. I vow to continuously work on myself and to be the wife you want and deserve. I don't need you to be perfect, I just need you to be real and trust God with me. I promise to remember that our love rooted in trust, respect, and open communication. From this day forward, you are my everything and I am yours. I love you, my husband, Edward Joseph.
Ngayon, relax lang ako, chill lang ako. Pero kanina, nung dumaan ako, nakita ko yung mga ninong at ninang at mga kamag-anak namin. Medyo natuwa ako at na-teary-eyed kasi ang saya sa feeling na makakasama namin sa special na okasyon na to yung mga malalapit sa buhay. At excited ako makita ka, love, as you walk down the aisle. Ang wish ko ay itong marriage na to ay mas mag-glorify natin si Lord.
Kinakabahan sa totoo lang. Siyempre, makikita kong ng mga kasama ko sa work, mga friends, family, kakasal na bilang only child ng parents ko. Nakakalungkot na masaya naman dahil bagong yugto ng buhay itong tatahakin namin.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Diyos dahil ibinigay ka niya sa akin. Ikaw pala ang aking kapalaran. At sabi nila, he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord.
Ikaw ang aking bituin. Ikaw at ako.
I pray to always have a good communication with you, a good relationship, a good married and family life together with our future children. Salamat, love, Josan, for loving me, for believing in me, and for trusting and cheering for me always. Ikaw lang ang babaeng nagpataas ng aking confidence at nararamdaman ko ang iyong pagmamahal always and in always. May we glorify Lord Jesus Christ through this marriage. I love you, Josan, from Edward Joseph Perez, your husband.